Some of you hopefully caught my other video on Cafe Bustello, another Cuban coffee, perhaps one of the best or well-known. Pilon is the other Cuban espresso coffee that's either most well-known or second most well-known. I tried it out. I wanted to show you guys and just let you know how it comes out when you use it in espresso, same like the Bustello video. Actually very, very similar results because I'm going to show you in a second, but the grounds are basically ground the same. They're ground a bit finer than what you'd normally request in a store for like a number 4 grind that I have right here. That's professionally ground, not at home. Anyway, I'll zoom in on this, let the camera focus. Hopefully you can see, it's going to be hard to tell, but the grounds are just a bit larger. This in the middle is the Cafe Bustello. And it's a bit hard with the lighting and focus, and this is the Cafe Pilon. They're very similar, the two. They're ground a little bit extra fine, and that's again so that people can use them on stovetop espresso machines, so that you can use it on drip coffee. And I tried it in the espresso machine, and ultimately I'll show you in a second, but it ends up, when the water gets forced through there, it creates almost like a thick mud and gets caught up, and therefore it does not flow freely through the espresso machine. I don't know if that affects the flavor or not, but the short of it is I wasn't a big fan of the Pilon. Even adding a little extra sugar in the idea of the cafecito didn't help. Even though, with the Bustello, I thought, wow, this is great value because it's very cheap. You can buy 2 packs for $5, sometimes $3, $4 is a 10 ounce. Same thing with the Pilon. I just saw 2 for $5, so they're very inexpensive. But whereas the Bustello, relative to the taste and the cost, it was a great value. The Pilon, I wouldn't even pay the $2.50 again. I know some of you probably totally disagree. I'm sure there are some lifelong drinkers. If any of you have tried both and prefer one, I'm curious which one and why. And perhaps it's just because I'm making it in espresso. I haven't tried stovetop or drip. If you've tried both, let me know. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Anybody considering trying to use it in an espresso machine, this one I wouldn't even try. So I hope that helps some of you. If it does, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe. But hang on, and I'm going to just show you that demo of how the Pilon actually works and goes into the machine. Thanks for watching. Cheers.